Hi, I am Judith Pinto from Mumbai. I have been suffering from diabetes for the last 10 years. And every time I went to the doctor, it was the same old story. The diabetes has shot up and medicines have increased. So much so, it has the HbA1c went to 9. Then after working hard, came down to 8. But I said enough is enough in April 25. And I was really annoyed and upset when my doctor said that no, you have been diabetic for 10 years and metformin won't work, and he increased another medicine. So that day I really saw red and I said something I have to do. I had been reading about diabetes reversal on the net and I kept browsing, and then one day I saw Anup Gupta sir and I just liked what he said. I was motivated and I joined the foundation course in July. By the end of the month of July, my HbA1c, which was 8, came down to 6.3 with just this foundation program. For following the regimen he had prescribed, the meditation, lifestyle, the awareness. And after that, when I was given the opportunity to join the Mastery program, I grabbed it. Today, after so many months, 6-7 months, to cut the long story short, my HbA1c is 5.5 when I did my test in November. And I would like to say one thing. With all medicines, and always a negative side effect. With this program, which is a holistic program, the side effect was weight loss. My BP medicines have been reduced to just 2.5 mg once a day, where I used to take the BP medicines twice. The biggest takeaway from this program for me is my knees. I was nearly supposed to do my knee replacement because I couldn't walk, couldn't climb stairs. And the bonus of this program is I lost so much weight, my knees are okay, and I don't have to do knee replacement. So it was a beautiful journey. And of course, my knees have not healed totally because of so many years of stress on the knees. I can't now, when I do yoga, I can't do alti palti, I can't bend my knees, but I know I will conquer it following this program. If I continue this program, we have invested, people say invested in this, but it is nothing. Whatever we have invested is just nothing compared to what we have gained peace of mind. Even my thyroid levels have come down, my BP. It is a holistic approach which targets every part of you. And I am really on that transformation to heal myself completely.
Being a businessman, I can see that the return on investment has been fantastic. That is the sum and substance of my comment, simply because it is the value you receive and not really the money. And the value is, let's say, it's an invaluable return. Today, to have good health is fantastic. And my wife has been determined, and I think I have tried to support her wherever possible. And I think together we will do what it takes to have a healthy and a good life ahead.
And I would like to say something about the Diabe Free Life team is just simply fantastic. They are there hands-on 24/7. You call them at any time of the day, night. If, sometimes during this process, my pressure has gone a little high. You called Neeta ma'am and she's available. You call Prajwal sir whenever you want. You can't connect. He's there even at 6 in the morning. You call him, I cannot open the link. He's there. Everybody, Abhishek sir. I would like to personally thank each one of them. Dr. Anup Gupta sir, Prajwal sir, Abhishek sir. I would also like to make a mention of Ishrat ma'am. She has also contributed for my transformation. God bless her. Then even the new Neha Sharma, Namita ma'am. I would say a fantastic family I belong to. And I can't say thank you enough. I would like to say one thing for all you people out there suffering from diabetes. Please, diabetes is reversible and I am one big proof. Be determined that you will change your life. Get into a program where it is a holistic approach where it targets everything, not just the symptoms as we have been following all these years. Just the symptoms are treated, which you know it's downhill. One fine day, all your organs, everything will be destroyed. So please choose wisely. And I would go one step further. It's not an ad or anything, but from my heart, get onto this program, Diabe Free Life. Get onto it if you want to make a difference to your life. Thank you.